Okay, I just got, let's see, I was just in the bathroom, and this happened. This is what happened. The birds got out of their cage and escaped. See? I just got out of the bathroom, I was just taking a dump, and this happened. Popcorn, you trying to escape? We lost the thing that closes this. I don't know where the hell it is. It's somewhere. And this one, when I came out of the bathroom, was under this, trying to hide. Yeah, do what you were doing. You're under there. You're looking for your girl. And that's what happened. You're so nuts. You know that? And you, Poppy, you trying to escape. Alright, go back in. Come here, you. You bite me, it'll be a last... Pop! Kimmy! No, Kimmy, go back in. Come here, you. Come here. Right now. Get over here. You get your butt over here. Yourself. Get your butt over here. Get your booty back in. Get your booty back in there. Scapies. Get your booty back in there.